Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and we got breakfast food on the menu, and I'm gonna show you guys how to step up your pancake game with these easy banana pancakes. One of my favorite types of pancake. So get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Back here, we have our flour. We got some mashed bananas here. Make sure they're ripe. Once they're ripe, go ahead and mash them. Have some buttermilk here, cinnamon, 1 egg, brown sugar, vanilla extract, melted butter, sea salt, baking soda, and baking powder. That's all you need. Let's get to it. All right, to get started, we're going to prepare our flour. We're going to add our sea salt here, baking soda, and our baking powder. And we're going to get that whisked in like this. Really easy. Let's set this aside and continue. Next, we're going to take our bowl with our mashed banana in it. We're going to add our melted butter, our 1 egg, vanilla extract, our cinnamon, our brown sugar, and we're gonna slowly add our buttermilk here to this dish also. Whisking it in. And we're gonna get this whisked up until it's well combined. It's not gonna be real smooth, guys, but close to it. All right, just like that. Now we're gonna bring our flour back over. And we're gonna start adding our banana mixture here to this bowl. And we're gonna get this baby mixed in. Now you wanna mix it enough to combine it, but you don't wanna over mix it. So once you get it all, the flour incorporated, you're good to go. So when you no longer see any of the flour, you're good. That's when you can stop mixing and move on to the next step. All right, so we're good right here. Let's continue. All right, so now we're at our cooktop. We're gonna heat our pan up. We got it here over a medium low heat. Make sure you don't have it up too high because you want these pancakes to cook inside as well as on the outside around the edges. So once our pan heats up, we're gonna add our batter here. And guys, you can make these babies as big as you want. It's totally up to you. And we're gonna let that cook for a few minutes. And as with making pancakes, once you start to see it bubble here in the middle, you know it's time to flip that baby over. So this could take a couple of minutes. All right, guys, so as you can see, we're about good. This has been about a couple of minutes, so we're gonna flip this baby over. Man, take a look at that. Beautiful pancake. We're gonna let that cook for another few minutes until it's cooked all the way on the inside. All right, guys, look at what we have here. I'm gonna flip that back over. Look at that beauty right there. Nice, nice pancake. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna sit this aside, put it in our warmer while we finish the remaining pancakes. All right, guys, we're finishing up our last pancake. Take a look at that. Man, that baby beautiful there. So let's turn off our heat. That way it doesn't continue to cook. Put this on a warming rack with the rest of our pancakes, and we're gonna head back over to our cutting board. And there you have it, guys. Easy banana pancakes. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a taste test. All right, we back in here. Quality control. We at the table. Anytime I said the table, you know I got Leia with me, man. She love them pancakes, man. So you know she wasn't gonna let me get by without bringing her in for quality control. And yep, I've been hearing y'all saying y'all trying to apply for her job. I don't know if she wants y'all to take her job from her. No. So we got these pancakes right here. We call them pancakes. Man, they smell good. They looking good. So hey, you got your fork right there. And let's just dig in, man, because they want to know what they taste like. Hey man, listen. They so banana-y, pancake-y.
They're very soft.
They soft. I'm telling you, these babies fluffy. So what do you think?
It's very good.
Very good. So if I woke you up in the morning and said, man, we have banana pancakes, how you gonna feel?
Oh, I would be so excited.
Hey, so guess what we're gonna have this weekend when we wake up for breakfast? We're gonna have some banana pancakes. All right. So guys, to the end, y'all already know who we are. We're All Wings Everything. I'm Spinelli.
I'm Leia.
And we already said we always think things. So, but just remember, we're not chefs.
We just cook a lot.
And we are out.
Peace.
Peace.